Thanks again for coming to Figment's 6-minute Wellspring mini writing workshop. This is day 16. I'm wondering how you're all doing with isolation, how you're coping with it, what you're doing to keep yourself going. Like I've said, this is certainly something that helps me a great deal. And this morning is the end of our isolation. My little boy, as you know, at the very beginning of those of you who have watched each of the videos, my little boy had a temperature a couple of weeks back, so my husband has been off work as well. He is now back to work, so it's just myself and Riley this morning. And for breakfast this morning, I'd like to hear what you guys are all having for breakfast, because that is going to be the basis of our prompt today. So I'm going to have a look and see what you're all having for breakfast. If you want to post on the video. This morning for breakfast, I am having leftover pizza. While I was warming that up, I was preparing Riley a little fruit salad. And if that isn't a metaphor for motherhood, I don't know what is. Some of you have been sharing what you've had for breakfast so far already in this last couple of weeks. Some of you have... Oh, hold on. Stay on this page. Jane is having coffee. Some of you have been sharing whether you've been having cake or toast. Riley had this for this morning, toast on honey and butter, which was just gorgeous. Lovely bit of golden toasted bread with honey and butter on it. Very tasty. Marmite on toast, coconut porridge. Kenny, very healthy, is having muesli with oat milk and added some berries and blueberries and strawberries this morning. Well, you've won the prize, Kenny, for being most healthy. Well done. This does not come as much surprise. I am going to enjoy my leftover pizza, however, after the 6-minute writing. So, the 6-minute writing, your prompt for this morning is pizza breakfast. I hope you can read my scrawl. Those of you who joined us a little bit late, pizza breakfast, that's sort of legible. Okay, so grab your notebooks and your pens and pencils, or get your laptop ready to go, whatever you're writing with this morning. Remember, anything goes with this. Just keep writing. Don't worry about editing. You can always edit what you've written at a future time. This is just for breaking down your blocks. So keep writing, keep writing, keep writing, even if the only thing you can think of is I don't know what to write, swearing, whatever. This is, anything goes. This is just for you this morning, not to be shared with anybody until you're ready to share it, if ever. So, thanks again for joining us. Your 6 minutes. Oh, we've also got leftover avocado and some rich teas. Interesting. And then hot cross buns with lashings of butter. Gorgeous. If you want to choose any of those to write about, if that's your preference, do that. I'll be writing about leftover pizza for breakfast. Your 6 minutes starts now. Okay, everybody. That is your 6 minutes up. Keep going by all means. Pause this. Those of you who have finished up, or when you have finished up, then as I've suggested, if that is something, if you've hit something there that you do that will become a poem or part of a short story or part of a novel, then continue on. Everything that you can use, everything that you produce in the 6 minute writing can be used as a little seed for something else to take that and grow. So I hope that has been a lovely little seed to get you started on what will hopefully be a healthy, nourishing, positive day. Thank you again for joining us. We will be here tomorrow morning, which is Thursday morning, and Friday morning as well. And then we'll start all over again on Monday. So thanks again for joining us. Have a lovely day, everybody. Keep safe, keep well, and happy writing.